Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact GoDaddy support. So first of all, you want to sign into your account, and when you sign in, you're going to go to your account. Now, when you are on your dashboard, as you can see, here at the top you have a help center, so you can click on that. And as you can see, they have this help center where you can actually find some solutions for your problems here on these questions. But if you want to actually contact them, you're going to click right here at the top, contact us. And as you can see, you can either call them, some global directory numbers and hours, or you can chat now for 24/7 live chat. Basically, you click chat now, and you will type them your question. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.